In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your subscribers using Flodesk. Transferring subscribers may seem like a daunting task, but with a little preparation and attention to detail, it becomes quite manageable. Let's guide you through the process to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, preparation is key. You'll want to start by preparing your subscriber list. You'll need to have a CSV file ready. This file should definitely contain the email addresses of your subscribers, as they are essential for the transfer process. Additionally, you might include optional fields such as first name, last name, tags, or any other custom fields that you use to categorize or personalize your engagement with subscribers. It's crucial to keep this list clean and organized. Ensure there are no duplicate entries or unsubscribed contacts in your list. A well-organized list will facilitate a smooth transfer and prevent any hiccups later on. Once your list is ready, the next step is to log in to your Flodesk account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Audience tab, which is where you'll conduct the subscriber management activities. Here, you'll see an option in the top right corner labeled Plus Add Subscribers. Click on this option to begin the upload process. When prompted, select Upload CSV. At this point, choose the prepared CSV file from your device. Make sure you've selected the right file with all your organized data before proceeding. Now it's time to map the fields. This step is all about ensuring that each piece of information from your CSV file matches the correct fields in Flodesk. For example, align the email column in your CSV with the email field in Flodesk. Similarly, match other fields such as first name and any additional fields you might have included. This mapping process is crucial because it ensures that all your data will be correctly integrated into your account's database. The last step is to finalize the import. Review all mapped fields carefully to ensure everything is set up just right. Once you are confident that all the information is accurate and precisely matched, click the Import button. This action will begin the transfer, officially moving your subscriber data into Flodesk. By following these steps, you'll efficiently transfer your subscribers, setting yourself up for seamless communication and engagement with your audience in Flodesk. Take your time with each step to make sure every detail is correct along the way, and you'll have a smooth experience transferring your subscribers. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making this process swift and efficient.